Difference between Popen.poll and Popen.wait. I'm using the following command to run a shell command, creating a subprocess. Then, I want to get its return code when it's finished. I should use wait or poll. It seems to me wait is equal to a poll enclosed in a busy wait. Something like I read that wait could generate a deadlock if stout buffer is filled. Process.poll used like above also could generate a deadlock. If this is true, I should use process.communicate to solve the problem. Nowadays, I only use process.communicate when I'm interested in the subprocess stout. Thanks in advance.
Yes. Subprocess.poll, when used in a loop like that, will cause a deadlock if the stout is piped into your process and you aren't reading from it. If you don't pipe stout or you're consistently reading from it, neither poll nor wait will deadlock. Subprocess.communicate will solve the deadlock in the cases it would occur. However, if you just want to run a command, check its return code, and get its output, use subprocess.check_output, which wraps all of that.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.